yourself something funky.
Hi guys, this is Rider Review. In this video, we are going to see the hands-on review of BENELLI TNT 300. So BENELLI is an Italian company. In 1911, it developed its first bike. After a long gap in 2004, it launched a super naked bike with 1130cc and holds its place in the market. So TNT 300 is a liquid-cooled vertical twin-cylinder with the 8-valve 4-stroke DOHC engine, which produces a power of 38.79 PS at 11,000 rpm and torque of 36 Nm at 10,000 rpm. Both the front and rear wheel comes with the ABS, so it's a dual-channel ABS with the wave disc. The brake calipers are also designed by the BENELLI. You can see the logo on the brake calipers itself. We can see the side stand switch on the side stand so that the bike won't get started until the side stand is taken off. TNT 300 comes with a petrol tank capacity of 16 litre with a 3 litre reserve and with a mileage of 25 kmpl, and it reaches a top speed of 180 km per hour. The front suspension is an inverted telescopic fork and the rear is adjustable offset monoshock. So the rear suspension comes on the right side of the bike, which gives a higher sporty look for the bike. So it is a 6-speed transmission and the speedometer comes with both analog and digital to maintain the classic style of the bike. So the headlight comes with the halogen bulb and the indicators come with the LED bulbs. The front wheel size is 120/70 and the rear wheel size is 160/60. Both the front wheel and rear wheel are 17-inch alloy wheels.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
The bike comes with a handlebar width of 800 mm and a ground clearance of 160 mm, and the curb weight of the bike is around 196 kg. So the bike price is 2.99 lakh at ex-showroom Delhi and 3.36 lakh at ex-showroom Chennai. So if you guys like this bike, give a like for this video and please write your thoughts in the comment box below. Hope you guys like this video. Like, share and subscribe to Rider's View.